Hey food lovers, welcome back to Cooking with Gas. Today I'm going to show you how to make pigeon pea rice or arroz con guandú. I have my pan on medium heat and adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Next I'm going to dice 1 small onion, 3 culantro leaves and mixing it all together in my pan. With my handy dandy garlic press, I'm going to use 3 cloves of garlic. I'm going to stir this for a little bit until the onions become transparent, and I'm going to add my pigeon peas or guandú. I totally wish you guys could smell this. It is so delicious. It's like honey of the gods. Keep on stirring it, making sure that all of the juices are very well incorporated. You guys hear that sizzle? That is music to my ears, and the smell is unbelievable. I'm gonna cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes, just making sure that everything is incorporated and just enjoying the smell, to be honest. I've turned off my pan after 3 minutes. I'm adding some 2 cups of rice to my rice maker and 1 teaspoon of salt. So for my 2 cups of dried rice, I'm going to add 4 cups of water. I'm going to add the pigeon peas to the water, making sure that everything is incorporated, giving it a good swirl, putting on that lid, pressing that button, and making it do its magic. 15 minutes later, taking off that lid, my pigeon pea rice, arroz con guandú is ready, and all I could say is, damn, does this smell good. So when I make this rice, I like to accompany it with some salad, with some albóndigas, which is a Salvadorian type of meatball, plátanos en gloria, which is like a sweet plantain made out of ripe plantain. It's like a dessert, and also a big glass of horchata. Now the ultimate test with my volunteer. Did I pass? Did I not? There we go! I passed! So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll be back with some more delicious videos of Panamanian, Salvadorian, and just anything type of food.